Soon take out your misery, yeah?
You're not too late. You're not too late for your stop. You can't bring you in and make you get somebody and make them get help for you. You need help. You need to talk to somebody. Like, we don't know what really go down in your past or whatever. But you need
shut
help.
up. You don't know nothing about me. You really need to shut up. Brother.
You're sick. You need help. Teeny, you need to get help. You're not going to get away with this. Me, I tell us you're not going to get away with this.
Shut up, shut up. Help. Meaning help. And you need help and stay you in a room. Come like I can't see.
You just, we can't even imagine the amount of turmoil we are going inside of your head right now. And you are refuse to get help, just going to make it worse.
Boy, turmoil. You know, I feel like we get electrocuted while wet. Alright, so. I'm gonna try to experiment. Let me show you what her might be.
Ah, girl, how you do? Yo, move fast.
I tell her say, yo, you see if I need one thing, as a big man just rinse it, you know, yo, you make man a pre some way and hell.
Virgin, me no make no money, what you have me to do now? No money no make, man.
Say, yo, man, yo. You know, say all the while I do this thing, big man, a pre certain way right now. Because me I tell you the truth, you know, you know, say, yo, man, rich, you know, Virgin, as a man, you know, me not no money, you know, also me I try, also my thing, you know. Alright, now you make man pre some way, you know, to do all some things.
Yes, sir, I don't know how, I don't like how you behave, man. Too little time, nothing no move, you behave, so, man. Oh, man, you don't have to behave, so, brother.
You don't even know say me
Yo,
the man go empty me clip in your face and a response what me in a big man. I tell you the truth, you know.
Whip.
As a virgin, you know. I sound like somebody else. Yo, mama. Oh, yeah, man. Me there, man. Come peel. Yo, brother. I bet you go on where you go in a big man. I tell you the truth in a big man.
You have to go and say no,
I bet you go on where you go. Yo,
you
man, if you just go on where you go, big man.
Easy.
So you say you need no more, why pray?
No, say I'm right thing me come for do.
Don't know say 50 grand no more.
Whip. The regular customer, you can't do me look better.
Don't know say you can't take nothing off like business or business, you know. You know it's risky, you know. Don't know, you know. If police catch me with this and how much money, you know, long now they have to spend in a prison same way for this. You have to know where business going, you know. You see me? So 50 grand take you or leave you, know, this side there, you know.
Alright, give me 15 ounce. Same like you last time.
Right. I'll go for your stuff, don't move. Yo, crazy. Yeah, man. You know, I said that me there chill dog and he be come check me till they come buy sitting off of me dog. But I see him be yes, you mash up down so you know dog. Yeah man, you see him be there, we want it for about 6 or 7 murder boy, them police boy they want her for dog. She a mash up the place in the dog. Yeah man. Right now dog, me not think she want but that girl let me place in the dog more. You make the dog there know a thing going on brother. Because God know you know brother, that woman you know normal in the dog, me I tell you you know. And she a mash up the whole over so you know brother, and me I look at she.